Hi guys, Rob here to talk to you about the new Merlin 24-volt battery backup unit. The BBU is great if your house is prone to power outages. It's nothing more annoying. At least with the BBU, you know you have access to the garage under battery power. For some people, getting in and out of the garage is only possible through the garage door, so it's great to know and have peace of mind that you can get in and out under battery power. But for others, it's more of a convenience factor to know that you can get access to your garage even when the power is out. The new BBU is compatible with most of the 2019 Merlin openers, namely the Commander Elite, the Commander Extreme, and the SilentDrive Elite. The Commander Ultimate, the side-mounted sectional door opener, has got its own integrated BBU, and that will be covered in a separate video. Okay, let's get into it. So mount the BBU to a hard surface close to the opener. So this could be the wall or the ceiling. As you can see on the BBU, there are two mounting holes, and hardware is included in the box. Just make sure that if you mount it onto gyprock, that you mount it to a hard structural surface such as a joist. It is important to know that the BBU comes fully charged, but it needs to be initiated with mains power. The first thing that you do is to disconnect the power to the opener. Open up the BBU, expose the cable, and plug it into the opener. On the SilentDrive Elite, this connector is at the back, and on the Commander Elite and Commander Extreme, the connector is found at the back, like so. Okay, so the battery now needs to be activated. So what you do, you wind up the cable into this little clip, put the cover back on, and you can see it easily come out in this little hole here. Then you plug the mains back into the opener, and you should see the LEDs flash briefly, and then the green light should come on, flashing if it's charging from mains, and when it goes fully green, it means the battery is fully charged. Now let's test the battery. So unplug the power to the opener, and you should see that the green LED goes off and the yellow one comes on. The yellow light means that the battery is powering the opener. When you run the opener, open and close, you will also hear an audible beep to indicate the battery is driving the opener. If the yellow LED begins to flash, it means the battery backup is on low power and needs to be charged. If the red LED comes on, it means there's a fault with the battery. The battery will try to rectify the fault itself, but if the red light stays on, please call Merlin and we will help you out. We recommend that you test the battery annually to make sure the BBU is working properly by unplugging the power to the opener and opening and closing the door a couple of times. Don't forget to plug it back in. Without putting a number on it, you should be able to get a couple of days operation out of the battery, which is fantastic for a normal power outage situation. If you have any questions, please contact Merlin.